this video we will learn how to put videos in slow motion on Snapchat. So let's begin. So there is a really cool feature on Snapchat that allows your videos to be in slow-mo without any previous editing or etc. Directly you can have a video on Snapchat and Snapchat will be able to make that video a slow-mo. So to do so, the process is similar for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you are on Android. So here what you need to do is just go and open your Snapchat app and make sure that you are connected to the internet. Without internet you can do so, but obviously you will not be able to post that video. So here we are, open the Snapchat app. So here obviously you can post the media from two things, like you can go to your camera roll and post the video from here. Either you can just go and directly make a video from here. So if you want to make a video from here, so what you need to do is here just go and make a video by tapping on this icon for a while, like this one. Here we are. So once you have made a video, you would be redirected here. So the process from here onwards is really similar for gallery and as well as making a video from here. So what you need to do is just go and swipe left, again swipe left, again swipe left, again swipe left, again, and here you can see the snail icon. So once you see the snail icon, this means that this would be a slow-mo effect, and you can currently preview on your screen that the video has slowed, so you can see a slow-mo effect. So here you can just go and post it from here or whatever you want to do. So hope it has helped you in making a slow-mo video on Snapchat. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share.